The cost of living index number increased from 280 to 340 during a certain time period. So index 280 से हो गया 340 and the wage increased from यानी wage यानी पगार पैसा जो उसको मिलता है वर्कर को from 13,500 to 14,750. Find the real gain or loss of the worker. So solution now, index number increased from 280 to 340. Wages was rupees 13,500 when index was 280. Therefore, estimated wages यानी वर्कर को अब कितना वेजेस मिलना चाहिए, how much amount the worker should get when index becomes estimated wages when index is 340 is equal to 340 divided by 280 into 13,500, which is equal to rupees 16,392.857, so 86. Now this should be the estimated wages minus, so let me write once again over here, estimated wages is equal to rupees 16,392.86 less actual wages is equal to rupees 14,750. Let's check. Now tell me students, the worker gained or the worker lost? वर्कर को गेन हुआ या वर्कर को लॉस हुआ?
Loss.
Loss. Yeah, because income as per index should have become 16,392.857, so 86 or 85, but actually is getting only 14,750. So loss, he is not able to meet his cost of living, so he has to cut corners, he incurs losses. So therefore loss to worker is equal to rupees 1642.86. Answer. Question number 9. The wholesale price index for the year 2014 and 2015 are found to be 177.6 and 181.2 respectively. Find the rate of inflation using index number of both the years. So let's write solution wholesale price index for year 2014 is equal to 177.6. Wholesale price index for year 2015 is equal to 181.2. Therefore, rate of inflation is equal to wholesale price index for 2015 minus wholesale price index for 2014 upon wholesale price index for 2014 into 100, which is equal to 181.2 minus 177.6 upon 177.6 into 100, which is equal to 3.6 divided by 177.6 into 100 is equal to 2.027, so 0.03%. Therefore, rate of inflation is equal to 2.03%. Answer. Question number 10, again an important one. Let's read the question. The percentage increase in price relative for three items for three items are 315, 328 and 390 respectively. If the importance of these items has ratio 5:7:8, find the general price index number. Okay, now items. So let's say three items, so A, B and C. Now, percentage increase in price relative. So price relative यानी index number I. Tell me what will be I for item A?
415.
315 or 415?
415.
415, because over here it is given the percentage increase. So index will be 415, 328 for item B. So it will become 428 and 390. So it will become 490. We add 100 because it is increase. Now weight W already given importance is 5, 7 and 8. So total 20. W is equal to 20. Now let's find out I into W. 2075. 2996 3920. Do the total. 8991. This is sigma I W. So let's write general price index is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. For 49.55. So we write, therefore, general price index is equal to 449.55. Answer. If the average disposable income of a family of a class is rupees 25,000 in the year 2014, and if the cost of living index number of that class for the year 2016 with the base year 2014 is 120. So 120 is index for the year 2016. Estimate the average disposable income for the family of that class in the year 2016. So let's start solving it. Solution. Index number for year 2014 is equal to 100. Average disposable income for 2014 is equal to rupees 25,000. Index number for year 2016 is equal to 120. Therefore, estimated average disposable income for year 2016 is equal to index of current year upon index of base year into 25,000. which is equal to rupees 30,000. Alternatively, you can also use this logic over here. I'll just do it over here. कि when my index was 100, income was 25,000. My index has become 120. What is the estimated income? So 25,000 into, Dhanshri, mute yourself. Dhanshri, 25,000 into 120 divided by 100, which is equal to 30,000. Answer. Question 12, section C. Average monthly income of worker was 16,000 in the year 2015 and it increased to 20,000 in the year 2016. Find the index number of income for the year 2016 in comparison to the year 2015. So very simple. Let's write solution. Income of year 2016 is equal to rupees 20,000. Income of year 2015 is equal to rupees 16,000. Therefore, index number of year 2016 is equal to income of 2016 upon income of 2015 into 100, which is equal to 20,000 upon 16,000 into 100, which is equal to 125. Therefore, index number for year 2015 is equal to 125. Answer. Question 13. If the production of an item increased by 9 by 5 times in the current year, so increased by को underline कर लो, increased by 9.5 times 9 by 5 times in the current year 2016 as compared to the base year, find the index number of production for the year 2016. Very simple. Can you tell me the answer? Can you tell me the answer? Production of an item increased by 9 by 5 times. यानी 9 divided by 5 करो कितना आ रहा है? It comes to 1.8 times से increase हो गया. as compared to the base year, find the index number for the production for the year 2016. So let's write production of an item increased by 9 by 5 times, which is equal to 1.8 times. Therefore, index number of production for year 2016 is equal to, so 100 is for the base year और increase कितना हुआ 9 by 5 times into 100 which is equal, which is 1.8 into 100 which is 100 plus 180 which is equal to 280. Therefore, index number of production for 2016 is equal to 280. Hence, question 14, it's a very simple one. Because of font limitation, this is coming in capital like this, but you know it is IL is index number for last year. You know IF is index number for Fisher and IP is index number for Pasche. Now, let's write the solution. Index number for last year is equal to 221.5. Index number for Fisher is 222. We have to find index number for Pasche. Now formula is IF is equal to geometric mean of last year and Pasche, which is equal to under root of 221.5 into IP. Therefore, 222 is equal to 221.5 into IP. Now, under root we want to remove, so here it will become square. So therefore, 222 square is equal to 2 into 222 upon, this will go on the LHS, so in division 221.5 is equal to IP. Therefore, IP is equal to 222.50. IP is equal to 222.50. Answer. D. Question number 7. The price of 3 items among 5 fuel items increased by 50%, 90%, 110% in the year 2015. We have done this in the class.
Homework.
It was given in homework.
Okay, so let me do it. Okay. As compared to the base year 2014, the prices of other 2 items decreased by 5% and 2% respectively. if the ratio of importance यानी क्या यानी weight of these 5 items is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, find index number of fuel prices for the year 2014. So let's write the solution. Let's take items A, B, C, D, E. Then index number. Now they have increased by 50%, 90% and 110. So index number for item A क्या आएगा? 50 या 150?
150.
150. So 150, 190, 210. Then decrease by 5%, so 95 and 2%, so 98. Weight, importance, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total, 15. Sigma W. Now let's find out IW. 750, 760, 630, 190 and 98. Two, 4, 2, 8. Is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. Section E, question number 6. Section E, question number 6. Now, it's a tricky question, so pay attention to it. The prices of wheat increased by 70%, rice increased by 40% in the year 2015 with respect to year 2010. The price of bajri decreased by 25%, price of oil increased by 40% and the price of ghee decreased by 5%. If the importance of oil is 3 times of rice, is 3 times, if the importance of oil is 3 times and of rice is double that of ghee and the importance of each of wheat and bajri is double that of rice, find the price index number of group of these 5 items and interpret it. So first let's write the items. wheat, rice, bajri, oil, and ghee. Now, index number. Wheat. What will be the index number for wheat? Can you tell me?
170.
170.
70 because increased by rice 140. Then bajri decreased.
75.
Yes, 75. Oil increased by 40%, so 140. And ghee decreased by 5%. Now, weights. This is important. That's why I'm solving this up. Now, in weights, the price, the importance of oil is 3 times and of rice is double that of ghee. So let's take ghee as 1. Now, the importance of oil is 3 times. So it is 3 and rice is double. So rice is 2 and the importance of each of wheat and bajri is double that of rice. So rice ka double is wheat and rice ka double is bajri. So that is 4 and 4. So total 3 and 1 4, 4 and 4 8, 8 and 4 12 and 2 14. Now see, one of the student asked me in previous lecture कि sir weight का total हमेशा 100 होता है. No, whenever it is percentage wise it is 100, but over here importance is given in terms of number. So here we have to count and it comes to 14. So 14 is sigma W. Now let's find out I into W. 680. 280, 300, 420 and 95. 1775. So let's write the answer. So price index number of this group is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W, which is 1775 upon 14, which is equal to 126.7857, so 79. So therefore price index number is equal to 126.79. Answer. Section F, question number 10. The index number for food, clothing among different groups of cost of living are 150 and 224.7 respectively. The price of fuel has increased by 220%, by 220% increased by. Okay, expense on rent has increased from 4,000 to 6,000. So we have to find index for it. And miscellaneous expense increased by 1.75 times. If the expenditure for first four groups are 40, 18, 12 and 20 respectively, find the cost of living index number for the year 2015 and interpret it. Okay, so let's go to the sum solution. Okay, let's write. Now first we write the items. Food, clothing, fuel, rent and miscellaneous. Let me draw a line. Okay, index I. Now for food and clothing, the index number for food and clothing is directly given. So we directly write it 150 and clothing is 224.7. The price of fuel has increased by 220. So 320 कैसे आया 100 plus 220 ऐसा लिखना so that तुम्हें पता चले. Then expense on rent has increased from 4,000 to 6,000. So let me change the color. Okay. So rent will be 6,000 rent of current year upon rent of base year into 100, which is equal to 6 divided by 4 into 100, which is 150. And then miscellaneous expense increased by 1.75 times. So it will be 275. How? 100 plus 175. So ये हो गया हमारा index. Let's write the weights. If the expenditure of first four groups are 40, 18, 12, 20. Now, here, what will be the total of weight? Can you tell me?
100.
100. How did you know 100? Because your percentage is given. Yes. Now you understood this?
100.
Yes. Now you understood this. So over here, this weight will be, I'll make a star over here. 100 minus 40 minus 18 minus 12 minus 20. Which is equal to 20, 1830, 40, 90, 10. So 10 is the weight for miscellaneous expense. So now we got sigma W. Let's find out IW. 6,000. Four zero four four 0.60 320 into 12. 3,000 and 2750. So the total.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah, Nishta.
Sir, I got you.
Sorry. One nine six three 4.62. So therefore, cost of living index number is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W, which is 19634.60 upon 100, which is equal to 196.35. Now let's interpret it. Therefore, increase in cost of living index number is 96.35 percentage. That is 196.35 minus 100 as compared to year 2000. Okay, as compared to base year. This is interpretation.